It's a controller, remote controller, and this is Fuji Drive Japan, and remote control system, radio wireless 100 meter radius wireless control, and all Schneider relays, and overload buzzer, and wired remote control, and so 4 person already standing on the machine. Okay, now we are going to lift the machine by doing up. Yes, now 25 feet it has reached for 4 person. They are all 300 kgs, 300 kg weight, 4 person. So the height is 25 feet from the bottom to floor level to top. Okay. Okay, now we are going to down the by remote control. Now it's coming down. எப்படி இருக்குப்பா ஹைட்? எப்படி இருக்கு மேல? ஆ Yes. After that it won't come. It is stopped by limit switch.